1.
Hi there, play and sing friends.
1.
We are going to learn some sight words.
Say it.
First, we will say the word in English. Then we will say the same word in Spanish. Let's start. Colors.
Alright.
Red, rojo, orange, anaranjado, yellow, amarillo, green, verde, blue, azul, purple, morado, pink, rosado, brown,
Café.
black, negro, white, blanco.
Blanco.
Now let's say some animals.
Okay.
Dog, perro,
Perro.
cat, gato,
Gato.
fish, pig,
Pig.
chicken,
Chicken.
pollo,
Pollo.
frog, rana,
Rana.
bird,
Bird.
pájaro,
Pájaro.
snake, serpiente, cow, vaca, pig, cerdo,
Cerdo.
turtle, tortuga.
Pájaro.
Now let's learn some fruit names. Apple,
Apple.
manzana, banana, plátano, mango,
Mango.
grapes, uvas, kiwi, orange, naranja, watermelon, sandia, strawberry, fresa, blueberry, arándano, papaya, pahilla, vegetables, broccoli, carrot, zanahoria, cucumber, pepino, peas, guisantes, pepper, pimiento morón, onion,
Onion.
cebolla,
It's
corn.
so spicy.
maíz, celery, apio, tomato, tomate, potato, papa, clothes, diaper, pañal, pants, pantalones, shirt, camisa, dress, vestido, socks, calcetín, shoes, zapatos, hat, sombrero, coat, abrigo, feelings, happy, feliz, sad, triste, upset, enojado, sleepy, sueño, scared, miedo, hungry, hambriento, thirsty, sediento, hot, caliente, cold, frío, silly, tonto, weather,
Are you ready?
sunny, soleado, cloudy, nublado, rain, lluvia, windy, viento, fog, niebla, snow, nieve, rainbow, arco iris. Thanks, Play and Sing friends. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.